like a real good domestic love story like this right here. The deputies, our law enforcement partners, had to tackle a player in the courtroom, a player who had been kidnapped. His little la-la. Kidnapped his little la-la. He acted a fool and caught, so we had to tackle his ass. He's speaking and talking and all that little black shit right there. He having an outburst. Talking and caught. You ain't supposed to talk and caught until you is actually talking caught. But it's not the fact that he had to be tackling shit. It's what he say while being tackled. Y'all got to pay attention to a real love story. This is a real, truly love story. Listen.
In the Hamilton County courtroom this morning, and we have the video right here to prove it.
Yeah, 25-year-old Adamu Williams is accused of kidnapping and brutally beating his girlfriend.
Mike Shell is live with what happened when Williams faced this judge.
Hold on, player. Why is your eyes bucked open like this? Why your eyes bucked open? You trying to read from afar?
Williams is accused of kidnapping and brutally beating his girlfriend.
Mike Shell is live with what happened when Williams faced this judge.
All right, here we go.
Tricia, we have seen defendants speak out when they should remain silent or be disruptive in court in some other way, but rarely does it rise to the level we saw during this morning's arraignment hearing of a man accused of kidnapping his girlfriend, leading police on a multi-county chase, and causing a crash that injured several people. 25-year-old Adamu Williams had to be tackled and handcuffed by deputies as the judge reviewed the 19 charges he now faces.
He is admittedly a one-man walking crime rate here.
Prosecutor Mike Keeling says Williams was already wanted on multiple felony warrants stemming from 2 violent attacks on his girlfriend earlier this month. In one alleged attack, Springdale police say Williams repeatedly punched the woman, threatened her when she tried to leave, and strangled her until she lost consciousness.
He assaulted his girlfriend by punching her in the face several times, causing bruising to injuries and eyes and her ribs. Mr. Williams then pistol whips Ms. Cat with an orange GNX handgun.
A court official says Williams was wheeled into the courtroom Monday after he refused to come down from his cell and would do so only if he would appear in a wheelchair. Police arrested Williams Saturday after Laughlin officers tried to make a traffic stop on I-75. That's when he allegedly led police on a high-speed chase through Hamilton and Butler counties. Despite advice from his attorney to stay quiet, Williams interrupted the court, saying he wanted to plead guilty.
Not just plead guilty, because I go try to lie on me.
You don't want to see.
Keep saying I did this and did that to her. As soon as I go on the pod, she gonna be right there, video visit. I love you, baby. Can I come behind you out? Come on, bud.
The court then discussed having Williams sign a TPO, or temporary protection order.
There is a TPO, and I'd ask that he sign that.
Authorities say dispatchers warned officers Saturday that Williams was wanted on felony warrants, may have been armed, and was refusing to let a passenger out of his vehicle. Williams could be heard repeatedly professing his love for his girlfriend while deputies forcibly removed him from the courtroom. The judge ordered Williams held on $770,000 straight cash bond on the 19 charges against him. Several drivers were taken to the hospital following that crash that Williams allegedly caused on I-75 Saturday night. We are told their injuries are non-life-threatening. Williams also faces 3 drug trafficking charges after police say they found what appears to be fentanyl, Xanax, cocaine, and other narcotics in his possession at the time of his arrest. Live downtown, Mike.
Because that fentanyl need to be removed off the planet, in my opinion. Player pointed out something that I always point out. I've been trying to tell y'all for the longest. He said what she gonna do while he's locked up.
Guilty.
Not just plead guilty, because I go try to lie.
I say I could just plead guilty because they gonna try to lie on me. I don't know if that's like a good idea, pimp. Let them lie on your ass. Don't give up the ghost early. Don't do that.
You don't want to see.
Keep saying I did this and did that to her. As soon as I go on the pod, she gonna be right there, video visit. I love you, baby.
That's domestic love at its finest. He's dealing with a chick who will bun him out after a domestic love event.
Can I come behind you out?
See, she'll be on the video call.
As soon as I go on the pod, she gonna be right there, video visit. I love you, baby. Can I come behind you out? Come on, bro.
Come on, bro. Come on, dog. Do y'all know how confusing this shit is right here? When you don't understand that this is what it is, this is domestic love at its fact. This is what it entails. We get into altercations. Players go to jail. Who buns us out? Our little la will bun us out. We can bam a bitch in the head real quick and everybody be fine. Well, why you hit that woman? Yada, yada, yada. Man ain't never supposed to hit that woman. Who finna come and bun me out? Huh? Why y'all trying to get all in the player business and shit like that? Y'all trying to separate us and we out here loving one another and I bam on your ass and now we still together? I done hurt you because you trying to intervene in some shit that we got going on, knowing that we gonna still be together no matter what type of fighting that we do. The fighting that you don't agree with. The loving that you don't agree with. The loving that you deem is not love. I done bammed on your ass. Stay out my goddamn business. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to a player, man, for pointing it out, saying it out loud in court. So the things that I have been saying can be validated. Say it one more time, pimp.
Guilty.
And I'm just plead guilty because I go try to lie on me.
You don't want to say.
Keep saying I did this and did that to her. As soon as I go on the pod, she gonna be right there, video visit. I love you, baby. Can I come behind you out? Come on, bro.
The court then
Come on, bro. Shout out to the Archer for the $2 super chat. He said they love each other and nothing can keep them apart. Facts.
discussed having Williams sign a TPO, or temporary protection
Watch
order.
this, look.
There is a TPO, and I'd ask that he sign that.
Authorities say dispatchers warned officers Saturday that Williams was wanted on felony warrants, may have been armed, and was refusing to let a passenger out of his vehicle. Williams could be heard repeatedly professing his love for his girlfriend, while deputies forcibly removed him from the courtroom. The judge ordered Williams held on $770,000 straight.
Just because of how he said it, I almost gave him.
From the courtroom. The judge ordered.
I almost gave him. Let him go. I almost gave it to him, but when they said he had fentanyl on him, you supposed to be off earth. I stand my ground on that right there. Y'all out here messing around with that fentanyl and y'all cutting shit with fentanyl. Y'all messing up people's highs. Y'all need to be removed off earth. But the way that he professing his love right here, feel you, playboy. I know what that's like right there, dog. That's true domestic love at its finest. Again, y'all ain't got to believe that that's love if you want to. While we is loving each other in the relationship. Shout out to Miss Buckgood for the $5. I'm finna say GoFundMe. The $5 cash out. You say, Pastor, I pray you have never put hands on a woman. I will whoop one of these hoes. Listen, I done been beat. I think that you should have said that you prayed that ain't nail woman put their hands on me. Them hoes done jumped on me, dog. Bitch, I done been violated out here. Huh? Bitch, I need counseling and all type of shit. You done whooped on me, man. Y'all just stood around and let the pit whoop on me and didn't do nothing. Move right along. I ain't gonna be much on you.